So in the last video you left me pondering how to get these positioning magnets off, and it's surprisingly simple. You literally twist them off like that, so they come off of here and then away you go. Now I'll need to reposition these again, but that was all I needed to do. So next thing is to remove the scan coils. So let's undo this locking ring here. So just doing that now. There we go. And needs a little bit more, I think. Incidentally, I'm using screwdrivers with non-magnetic tips. So the last thing you want is to use magnetic tipped screwdrivers for this particular job, because that will cause you purity errors and other issues which you don't really want, if I'm going to be perfectly honest. So let's loosen that. That should hopefully come away. Might need to loosen it completely. There we go. Hoping that's enough. And it is. Now, there we are. That's okay. There you go. That's that set of scan coils off. Let's put those to one side. Let's move over to the Fergsuon. So similar arrangement again. Non-magnetic screwdriver onto coils. And here we go. Off you come. There we go. That's actually easier to undo. That might be because it's just older, possibly. There we go. And off like so. There we go. Whoa! There you go. That's off. Alright, let's put these on. So that will go onto here. Very similar position. That's interesting. I think that's another magnetic strip there. Sorry, I'm not showing you. It's another little magnetic strip there for added purity reasons, which is interesting. So that's on there, and that is nicely centralized. It's also in the correct position. So let's put its collar back on. You can actually see on this, you've actually got these points here, there and there, which actually go onto these plastic tags here. So there's only one way that this collar can go on here, and it is like so. bit there. And there you go. And then screw it back into place. So with this I will use the screwdriver just so it's quicker. But stop as soon as you feel it getting tight, which is about there. So they are now locked into position. The next thing is the magnets. So they will go on kind of like so actually. So let me get these realigned again. So I'll need to set these up again, but they're roughly in the right position. And if we look at where these sat, I can probably actually get these into roughly the same position as well. So when it's fully locked in place, if you fully lock it up, they sat kind of in that position. Let's have a look at the photo that I took earlier. Yeah, so there's the photo I took earlier. And they were I think more central, so let's go about there and then about there. Yeah, that is about the position actually. There we go. So let's undo this. Because now we're in a situation where these are very loose because they've been dislodged. And we need to get these kind of back into the position that they should be. So kind of about there, and then lock those in place. There we go. That'll finish things off with this one. I can do a final check on the alignment of those, which I'll do off camera, and I think that'll be that for this. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again soon. Take care. Thanks for watching.